Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can recover your Hotmail account. So Hotmail has been bought by Microsoft and now Hotmail has changed its name into Outlook. So whenever I say Outlook in the future of this video, don't get confused. I'm basically referring to Hotmail's changed name, alright? So first, what you want to do is Hotmail login. Once you search for Hotmail login, it's going to show you Microsoft Outlook. So click on Outlook. Once you click on Outlook, it's going to take you over here and ask you to log in into your account. So at first you need to enter your email address. So enter your email or phone number, whichever thing you used when you created yourself an Outlook account. Now once you're over here, it's going to ask you to enter a password. But since we don't remember our password, we need to click on forget password. Once you enter forget password, it's going to take you over here. Now over here, what you want to do is click on get code. Once you click on get code, a verification code is going to be sent to your email. So you need to open your email and check the verification code sent by Microsoft. So I'm going to do that real quick. And just like this, Microsoft is going to send you a verification code. So just copy the code and paste it over here. And once you paste the code, click on next. And if the code is correct, it's going to ask you to enter a new password for your Microsoft account. After you enter a new password for your Microsoft account, click on next and your password will be changed. And the next time you log in into your Microsoft account, enter your new password and you should be able to enter into your Microsoft account. And through your Microsoft account, you will be able to access Outlook, which is also known as Hotmail. So I hope you understand how you guys can recover your Hotmail account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.